Oh my goodness me, nearly 2025. And please be safe and be in good health, be positive, nothing to worry at all, no matter what happened in our life. Just get in the flow, just running smoothly. Everything is fine. So whatever happen. So I don't know what talking about. But anyway, God bless us all. Stay safe, stay blessed, everyone. Okay, God bless us all. As always, be positive. Maging ano lang po tayo. Maging masaya sa buhay. Life is too short, so be positive as always. Bye for now. Love you.